Best nurse triage software for after-hours coverage. When patients call after hours, your practice needs reliable tools to make sure every concern is fully addressed. That's why TriageLogic created myTriageChecklist, the best nurse triage software for after-hours coverage. Built on trusted Schmitt-Thompson protocols, it guides nurses step-by-step through the symptom evaluation process, while helping them create structured files that are compatible with most EHRs. This means patients get safe, consistent guidance, while providers start each day with complete, clinically accurate notes. If your practice needs additional support, our Nurse Triage on-call service can extend your coverage, thanks to licensed nurses who are available 24/7 in our medical call center. Together, our software and services protect patients, support providers, and promote practice efficiency, no matter the hour. Would you like to learn more about our Nurse Triage solutions? Contact us today to talk about a customized program.